Hi, I'm Sam, I'm from China, and I'm part of the Linguado team. I'm a moderator. I was looking for language exchange apps on Google Play. I was extremely lonely. I wanted to make friends with foreigners, especially. I wanted to see the world, and that's where I found Linguado. The thing is, it has this map feature that allows me to see whoever else is using the app like me from all over the world, and it's very fun to see. So among all the many apps that I downloaded, I eventually stayed in Linguado. The thing with many apps is that there's just too many people texting me. It just kind of formed a social fatigue for me because there were some people that I don't want to talk to, but some people just keep spamming. I mean, nobody likes spamming. There is this friend request feature about Linguado. It also allows people to send requests for video calling so that I don't have to worry about being spammed with video calls all the time. It really makes my socializing a lot more comfortable, and it's neat. The core is about socializing. There are features like translating and country facts, which I really like. For example, I see someone from a country that I have never heard of. I have no idea where it is, what they're good at, but I just check their profile. I click on the flag, I can immediately see the interesting facts that I can find on the internet about this country. I won't have to Google it all over again. So that's partly what I like about this app, but the main thing is it's socializing. It's about the people. I've made so many friends on Linguado, including my boyfriend who's from Mexico. He's a really cool person. We've been together for about a year and a half. To be frank, we weren't even thinking about it. We were just looking for a language partner. And we never see it coming. So kind of funny, but what can I say? It's been fantastic. And also the most unique experiences I've had is that I've talked to some elder people who are about 40, 50, 60 years old, and they're wonderful. I've never expected to have friendship with people from an older generations, and they actually changed my mind about them. For example, I've met a friend who's American. He's about 40, 50 years old. It turns out he loves anime just like I do. We had lots of wonderful conversations. There was no gap. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, thanks to Linguado, I managed to get to know so many wonderful people just like this. I've been using Linguado since 2020. That's about 2 years ago. One of my first friends on the app was Sadonte. I didn't know he is a moderator. I simply told him about some suggestion that I have for the app, and he told the team. They love it. So he invited me to be a moderator just like him. I've had a splendid time. I love the culture. I love the activities that we have every week. They're fun, and everybody's so nice and encouraging. Also, the best thing about being a moderator, I think, is that I feel a lot more confident talking to users. I'm no longer just a common user. I'm a moderator. I try my best to hear what the users have to say about the app, and what they think about the app is crucial to the improvement. And we share ideas with the team every day and figure out what's best for the app, what needs improvement. It's a wonderful work experience for me, and I am so proud to be part of the Linguado team. And that's it. Thank you for listening. I hope that you enjoyed the Linguado app as I do, as it has given me so many fun experiences. So I hope it does the same for you too.